How to add Snapchat link to Facebook profile. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead, open up Snapchat and log into your account. And once you do that, click on the profile or avatar at the top right of the screen. And we are here because we want to memorize or copy the username. As you can see it under your name, you have your username, because that's what you will be pasting on your Facebook profile for people to find you on Snapchat. So once you memorize that, keep it in mind, and then go ahead and open up Facebook and log into your account, and then go to your profile page. And once you're here, you need to scroll down to the information section and click on edit public details. Then scroll all the way down to the links section and click on add next to it. From the social links section, click on add social link. Then select the platform from the drop down to be Snapchat, and then write your username in this field right here. And once you do that, you can see that your Snapchat link has been added. So click on save at the top right of the screen to save the changes, and then go back to your profile, and you can see that your Snapchat is added to your Facebook profile. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can add your Snapchat link to your Facebook account. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.